Baby, stop there! Baby, stop there! Why, Mama? This place is not as safe as you think. Okay, Mama? La 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 la. Mama, I'm feeling very thirsty. Come on. There is a beautiful water stream. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay, baby. Wait, I will find some food for you. Okay, Mama. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wow, what a beautiful place. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Look, that is a stream. Wait, let me finish this. Hey, what are you doing? What did I do? You should not throw it here. It doesn't matter. Who cares? Okay, then your wish. Come, let us take a selfie. Let's go there. La 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 la. Oh, they have gone. What is this? It seems to be good. It also smells good. Let me have it. La 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 la. Oh my God, my stomach is paining. Oh, Mama, please come fast, Mama, please. Oh my God, help me. Please, Mama, come fast, Mama. Oh my God, it's over paining. Baby, see what I have brought for you. It's something special. Wake up, baby. Wake up. Naughty boy, slap without eating. Wake up, baby. Wake up. Baby, what happened to you, baby? Baby, what happened to you? Please wake up, baby. Wake up. Baby, wake up. Baby, you need a plastic wrapper. Baby, you need a plastic wrapper. Oh my God, now what I will do? Please wake up, baby. Wake up. Now what I will do? Who did this to him? Wake up, baby. Wake up. Hey, look. What happened there? Oh, it's a cute rabbit. Give me some water. I think it's dead. Hey, look, there are lots of plastic here. Oh, maybe it happened because of me. You only threw it. You are responsible for that. Oh, what will I do? Hey, who are you people and why are you here? Ma'am, we are tourists. We came here to explore the forest. When we came here, we found the rabbit dead.
Maybe it all because of the plastics.
Yes, I did it. I'm responsible for this. For sure, I do not know.
No, not only you. We are responsible for this. We are spoiling our own environment. Once you realize your mistake, you should not repeat it and even not let others do the same thing. The nature safety is in our hands and we should protect it.
We are extremely sorry. Wow, that's an amazing place.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And it's in pleasant climate.
Hey, look, there are so many flowers.
Wow, there is a cute bird.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Have some chips. That's over. Come, let's take a selfie then.
Come, let's go there.
Girls, stop it. Who are you? You are completely spoiling our environment. What did we do? You know, we just did like you. And because of my mistake, a rabbit lost its life.
Oh, so sad.
I think we are doing wrong. Come, let's pick up.
We are extremely sorry. Great, I'm so proud of you that I taught the same thing. You are conveying others to be a good human being of the earth. It's our responsibility for the environment.
Together, we say